In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on Dropbox in just 5 minutes. It's a quick and easy process that can make a big difference in managing your storage and keeping your files organized. So, let's get started. First, we're going to tackle one of the simplest and most effective ways to free up space: deleting unnecessary files or folders. Over time, we often accumulate a multitude of files that we no longer need. So take a few moments to go through your Dropbox account and identify any files or folders that are no longer relevant or useful. You know, those old project drafts or expired documents. Once you've identified these, go ahead and delete them. You'll be amazed at how much space you can recover just by doing this small, simple cleanup. Once you've deleted them, don't forget that the journey isn't over yet. Head over to the Deleted Files section on Dropbox.com. Why? Because when you delete something, it's not actually gone. It just sits there, taking up precious space. So, navigate to that section and permanently delete all those files and folders to clear up the space for new content. It's a permanent action, so make sure these are indeed files you're ready to part with forever. Now, let's move on to a handy feature in the Dropbox desktop app called Selective Sync. This can be a game changer if you're running low on both Dropbox and local computer storage space. Selective Sync allows you to choose which folders you actually want to be stored on your computer, saving a ton of space in the process. Start by clicking the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. Then go to Settings and navigate to Sync. Under Sync, you'll find Selective Sync. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your folders. Take a good look at your current list and uncheck any folders that you don't need immediate access to on your computer. These unchecked folders will remain on Dropbox, not in your local storage, freeing up space on your hard drive. By following these steps, not only will you free up valuable space on your Dropbox account, but you'll also optimize your local storage. This is essential for enhancing your productivity and ensuring that you have plenty of space for the important files you need. Remember to periodically review your Dropbox account, as freeing up space is an ongoing task that keeps your storage clean and efficient. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips and tricks to make the most out of your Dropbox and other storage solutions. Have a great day and happy organizing!